Alright, I have to show you guys this because this is cracking me up. So, obviously, these instructions are probably translated from Japanese to American or something like that. So, install step 1. Open the old rear wiper blade arm cover. Remove the screw. If yours has the metal insert still on the bolt, it will need to be removed before installing the wiper arm. That's great. 2. Remove the old wiper arm, clean off the bolt, and install the new wiper arm in the off position with the wiper clip in the little clip thing. In the little clip thing.
Maybe we'll just warm things up a little around here.
What the? It doesn't even... Where's the little clip thing? Okay, I love it. I love instructions like this. Alright, let's see what we can do here. See what we've actually got here. Okay, so we got the clip, we got the cover, which is nice, because those plastic things, they can break easily. Alright, and you know what, my car is almost 10 years old, so it's nice to have fresh, clean plastic.
I just want to say one word to you. Just one word.
You know what though, this doesn't feel as sturdy as the old one. I guess when we take the old one off, we can decide whether or not we want to keep it. That's what keeps that from going off. So you have to take this cover off by snapping it off like that. And then that allows the full flexion of the spring. And then here we're going to attach this blade arm here. Now, I don't understand why, but for some reason the instructions say to attach this to the car first and then this. But it doesn't seem to make any sense why I couldn't just attach this to this and then attach it to the arm. Because if I put this on the arm and then I'm pushing these two pieces of plastic together and I'm trying to do this at an awkward angle, that doesn't really make a lot of sense. Why wouldn't I just do it like right here? Like where I can kind of control the amount of force and I'm not using a piece of glass like the windshield to, like, you know what I'm saying? Now, did I do that right or did I do that wrong? Because now it looks like, nope, that's it. So there's a little tab there. It looks.
Yeah. Give me a tab.
Tab? I can't give you a tab unless you order something.
We put this on top, and that's the assembly right there. All right, if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. And like I said, tomorrow I'll show you how to actually attach this to the car. You can see right here these grooves. That's where these little clips. That's where these little things go into. That's why you have to pull it. You have to kind of pull this apart. When it's on the car, you don't readily know that, right? You don't actually know, because when you see it on the car, it looks like this. And you're like, why won't this go all the way up, you know, like in a 90-degree position? The reason is this is blocking it. So you have to kind of, see what I'm doing here? I'm spreading this right here. So you spread this cover gently, and then it pops off. And then you can get the wiper to go up. I guess that's so it's not flopping around back there, you know, like when you're on the highway or something. Let's keep it down. Alright, that's enough of that. Talk to you guys when I install it.
as strong as